Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna have an emergency quick video here. My daughter was getting ready to go back to college today in her car, and the check tire pressure light came on. So I checked the tire, and now I gotta put an emergency plug in it. She'll still have to take it to the tire shop tomorrow, but should get home.
Man.
So if you want to watch that, stick around. Videotaping. And there's the culprit. So now the first thing I got to do is I got to get it out. So we're gonna do that. You filming?
Yeah.
All right, so the first thing I need to do is figure out how to get this out of here. So I might need to get a pair of pliers, because that's like pure flush with the tire. So I think I'm gonna go get a pair of screwdriver. Okay, stop. See if I can get. All right, I'm trying to get up underneath of it so I can get it out, but I don't know if this is gonna work. But at least maybe I can get it exposed enough to be able to grab onto it with the pliers. So as you can see, it's not really leaking. It just was a slow leak, and evidently it just decided right before she was leaving.
Where are the pliers?
I'm over here. To decide to set off the alarm.
At least it did it now.
Yeah, instead of 100 miles into your trip. There we go.
Woo!
All right, so there we go. We got it out. See, that's a pretty good size hole. That's a pretty good screw. So just hold on to that. The kit is you take the awl and you enlarge the hole so you can get the plug through.
Woo!
Okay.
I got it.
You don't really need to put your finger on it, because we're going to have to pump it up once I get the plug in. But so the kit comes with 4 of these plugs.
It's like beef jerky.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to eat it, but you can see how sticky they are, and they're lovely. But I think the kit
Slim Jims, that's what I'm thinking of.
was $8 for these. So then you feed it through the needle, the eye, if I can, because it's sort of fatter than the needle. The whole point is to close up that hole. So it looks like a turd, maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can say that on YouTube anymore, but definitely turd. All right, and the other thing I like to do with it is I like to put a little bit of rubber cement on it. So I just got rubber cement, and it'll help cure. If you ever wonder how you open it, there's a little knob on the end there. Whoa! As you can tell, it's also pretty warm here in Louisiana.
You have to do that in slow motion.
Yeah, slow motion. My sphincter.
Uh-oh.
All right. So I put a little rubber cement on there, and okay, at least you can move your finger. Now's the hard part. Getting that through the hole. Put my considerable girth behind it, and we're getting in there. Come on. Okay, move out the way.
Whoa.
Oh, fudge sickles. I pulled it. I think I pushed it through too far. I guess I'm going to have to do another one. It's not blowing right now, but
You can hear it.
yeah. I put it through too far. You're only supposed to put it 2/3 of the way through, and it went at the end there. So we'll do another one. And since I'm always for honesty, you just saw me mess that one up. We'll do another one, which is also why you need to take it to the professional tomorrow, at least.
Yeah. I just have to get 280 miles.
I know. Try this again with the turd, or the Mr. Good bar, or whatever you want to call it.
Ooh, that's a good one.
The $100,000 bar.
The 100 grand bar.
Is it? They change the name?
Yeah. Was it ever 100,000?
I don't know.
Comment below. They changed the name.
Yeah. Thanks, Elise.
You're welcome.
Always looking out for me. It doesn't go through as easy once you've had one in there, for some reason. It's all gooped up. You no good rotten sack of trash. So if you did this right the first time, you'd already be done and drinking a beer and not standing out in 91-degree temperature. But since I have performance issues here, I have to continue working on getting it through the hole there. There we go. There we go. You son of a bitch. It's sticky at least.
Yeah.
I'll give you that. This thing is very sticky. And it doesn't want to cooperate, which is what it's supposed to do. Alright, there we go. Alright, so again, I'll do this halfway through, flip it, reopen my hole some.
Oh my God.
There we go. Definitely gonna need air.
Yeah. This happened to me about a month ago in another tire.
But I didn't have to patch it.
No. Somebody else did. Alright, you can do this.
Yeah, I can do it without putting it all the way through. There we go. There we go. Alright. And then it says to pull it out directly straight without twisting it. So, in there. Woo, it worked.
Ew.
What are you doing about?
It's like there's a growth on my tire.
What?
It's like there's a growth on
Yeah, I'm supposed to cut it off.
Oh.
So then the last step is to cut that little plug off. You can stop leaving it for a second. I don't like it. So I went and got the tin snips for this because, you know, the right tool for the job and all that, which doesn't mean a whole lot. But anyway, so basically you got to take the tire off to find the hole, and this ain't working either. Son of a snot-nosed piggy bank. If you notice, I'm trying to not cuss so much anymore since my good buddies at YouTube are cracking down on that kind of stuff. You know what, Elise?
What?
I don't know why that won't go. I might go get your mom's kitchen scissors.
Oh, she'll love that. Just kidding. I'm not supposed to show how messy the garage is.
Don't show how messy the car is either.
The car's not messy.
All right.
Oh, that's safe. It works though.
It works better than that tin snips. I'll probably cut the tin snips out. So yeah, you just cut it even, or as even, and then it'll wear down as you go, Elise. But
okay.
Now we need to put the tire back on. Okay, you can.
Okay.
Is it on?
Yes.
All right, so the last thing is I cut that off. We're going to put air in the tire, and then I'll put the tire back on the car. I don't need to show you all that unless you need me to show you that, and then you can comment below. But so that's how you plug a tire for an emergency time, and then just make sure you take it to a professional to get it checked out. And never do it on a sidewall. That's the other thing. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and thanks a lot.